Hi guys, good morning. I'm going to be vlogging my day today and tomorrow for a little 2 days in my life. I just woke up. Please excuse my sleepy face. I have a few things to do today. I'm planning on filming 4 different TikTok videos, and then I have a sponsored post to go up this morning, so I have to do that. And then I kind of have to tackle this here. I really haven't cleaned my room since I got back from my vacation in Mexico, so it's literally a huge mess. All this clothes here is folded. I just don't have any hangers to hang them on. And this stuff on the floor is just me being a messy bitch. I'm excited to bring you guys along. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make myself a bagel. Oh, and I also have to load the dishwasher because I made dinner last night and I didn't do the dishes after, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so it's about 12 o'clock p.m. and I'm about to start my makeup. I just got out of the shower. I've had a few people ask how I do my eye makeup, so I'm going to show you that right now. I use this palette. I got it in my BoxyCharm, and I only use this brown, like grayish shade, and I use this brush, and I kind of just put it around my crease. And then I put them on the lower lash line. After that, I take my concealer and I just dab it on each eyelid just a little bit. And then I line my eyes with the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. My favorite part of my whole makeup routine, I start off with the Laura Mercier Hazelnut Tea Lip Liner, and I overline my lips a lot. After that, I use my NYX in Cane's NYX Matte Lip Liner in Club Hopper. And then I go a little higher on the inner corners, like that. NYX Matte Cream in London. Lastly, I use the Laura Mercier Lip Glaze in Bear Pink. I have my little TikTok setup here. Have this light and this light. Film my TikToks there. And basically I just need to plan out the TikToks that I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna try to do 2, and then I'm gonna take a break for lunch, and then I'm gonna do 2 after that. I usually try to plan them ahead of time, but I didn't have time last night, so I'm kind of just gonna brainstorm right now, try to come up with them very quickly, and then film them because I'm getting super hungry. So right now, I just came up with an idea. I'm going to be styling some scarves in different ways. And I have a few ideas of how I can style them, like in my hair and like on the waist with the bikini. And these are the scarves. This is the first outfit. This is the scarf. So cute. And the shoes are from Naked Wolf. Cool. Next outfit. Okay, this is the second outfit. I'm using the little scarf as a cover up. These are the shoes from Miss Lola. I feel like it's so cute. I hope I don't get flagged on TikTok for this outfit. Ah, This is the next outfit. It's more streetwear. Cute little bandana, baggy pants, and Jordans. Okay, next outfit. Oh, I forgot to show you guys my outfit. So this is a scarf on my head, and I have a little sweater tied around my shoulders, a white tank, and these super comfy knit trousers. Next outfit. Next outfit, I'm not even wearing shoes with this one. I'm gonna use this cute little fake Louis bag on this side, and this is how I tied the scarf with these naked faux leather brown pants. So cute. I would totally wear this out. Actually, that was really good. Okay, I think I can do one more. Last outfit. I used these pants on the first outfit, but I'm actually going to redo the first outfit because I actually didn't like how the green pants looked with that brown scarf, and I feel like I can find something better. But I totally love how the green pants go with this scarf. Like, it matches so well. And should I use a bag? I feel like I should. Maybe this one. No. This little bag is so cute and it goes so perfect. It's perfect. Okay, I'm just gonna redo the first outfit now. You wanna play it? I'm proud of it. I like it.
All I needed was a little pep talk.
Yeah, all I needed was a little pep talk from you. Okay, this is the outfit. These mid-rise pants. I feel like they're so cute, and then I put some white sneakers on. Okay. I think I need to back up a little. Now I'm gonna go make a lunch. I am going to make a Mediterranean quinoa and bean salad. It's literally my favorite thing to make, and it's meatless. So yeah, super quick and easy since I don't have to like defrost meat or anything. So first thing I like to put is canned black beans. Just get mine at like Food for Less or Trader Joe's. So I put half white quinoa, half red quinoa. I think I remember why I like the salad. It's because it has tomato, onion, and cucumber, and those are all the ingredients of ceviche. It just tastes so good, that little combination, but I really like the way that it tastes together with quinoa and beans, and then I put lime, feta cheese, olives. It's just so good. Next I put this feta cheese. It's so good. I put some of this all-purpose Italian seasoning, some olive oil, a little bit of salt, olives, and then I put some lime juice. And last but not least, I love these hot chili peppers. They're spicy, but they're so good. And then I kind of just like mix everything together. Okay, I am on to my second TikTok. This time I'm styling these midi skirts. I have 4. This is the first outfit. I'm hero right now.
You have a little dog starting some beef right there. I'm gonna go get it. Come on, hero. Let's go. He's so scared.
One is from Beginning Boutique, and they sent me this like cow print skirt and this Arizona t-shirt. So I'm gonna wear that together, and then I'm also gonna shoot this outfit with these brown leather pants and this scarf. And I'm still trying to decide what my third outfit's going to be, but it's getting late and I'm getting super sleepy. Oh, I forgot I had this one. I think I'm gonna do this shirt. Okay, so I'm going to use the Day Dissolve Cleansing Balm from Versed. Okay, I'm gonna cleanse with the Super Calm Gentle Milk Cleanser from Tula. It's like a little jelly. Good morning, guys. It is 10 p.m. I woke up at about 8 and I responded to a few messages from my agency. I made some selects for a brand. I also went to walk my dog with my boyfriend, and he is off to the gym, so he's probably gonna be there for about 2 hours. So that means I have 2 hours to get ready for my shoot day. But I also got a package from Miss Lola, which I'm really excited about because that means that I could either shoot more outfits or just replace one that I planned last night. So let's do the unboxing for Miss Lola. Miss Lola always sends me the cutest stuff. I'm so grateful. Love that. Being set. Ooh, I'm so excited about this one. This is like a terry cloth set. Here's a little matching zip up. So cute. Cute little orange dress. I got these black platform flip-flops. They're so cute. This color is so cute. Oh my god, shut up. I also got them in pink. I'm literally so obsessed. I wish I would have had these on my vacation in Mexico. They're so cute. Love them. Okay, I'm gonna try on these flip-flops. I want to see what they look like on. Oh my god, they're so cute. So I'm all ready. My boyfriend is back from the gym. He's having some food and he's gonna get ready after that so that we can go shoot. But since I have a little bit of extra time, I'm gonna shoot a TikTok really quick with the Miss Lola items that they just sent me. And I'm trying like a new layout. Instead of putting my phone up here, putting it like down here so you can see the whole outfit. Since they sent a lot of shoes, I want the shoes to show.
No sleep.
I don't know if I like it. I feel like I look kind of boxy.
No sleep.
Should I like angle the camera more? I feel like I should. Okay, this is one of the sets. It's so cute, and I'm wearing it with these Naked Wolf sneakers. Okay, ready for shoot day. This is my outfit, and I paired it with some boots, and then I have all my shoes in here. My outfit's here.
Camera.
Chris was saying that I have like the most complicated Starbucks drink because...
There's just too many requests.
What is it?
It's a tall iced matcha latte with 1 scoop of matcha and 2 pumps of vanilla sweetener.
And?
That's complicated.
And oat milk. You forgot the oat milk.
And oat milk.
I always get the green tea matcha latte with 1 scoop of matcha because when I have 2, it like makes me sick because I don't do well with caffeine. But with 1, it like adds just enough flavor, but it doesn't make me all shaky and nauseous. We are heading to my favorite parking garage. It's about 15 minutes away. We are here at my favorite shoot spots. Super empty right now, just how I like it.
Let me get a cool angle.
Wait, I'm so upset. Look, they put a little drawing on my background. I usually shoot.
It's not a little drawing, it's a little pee-pee.
It's a pee-pee.
It's a penis.
Oh, it's the head of a penis? I
Show
just
me outfit
noticed.
like
It
that.
looked like a face for a second. cute. Let's go, girl. I want to shoot right there in that corner.
Alright, time to shoot then. The famous pea corner. Smells like pea right there.
Smells like pea. Okay. I'm gonna do some sitting.
Or am I supposed to pull out my phone?
No, I'm gonna shoot that camera.
Okay, say bye vlog. Be right back.
Bye, vlog. So I was kind of skeptical about this outfit, but I feel like it turned out.
Let me show them the whole thing.
Ignore the ugly socks, but
No one was looking at the socks.
last ons, Ross. These pants are from Ross.
Are those from the collaboration?
Yeah. And
Stand up. Let me get that one angle. Let me flip the camera. Look at the drip. Do a pose. Are we on to the next outfit now?
Yeah. Last outfit, and we changed the location.
Tell them where we're at.
We're in and out.
The camera not using.
To be like, when I have people actually watching me on YouTube, I'm not gonna be embarrassed to vlog. But like that like public fear of vlogging never really goes away. Because people always stare. Hey guys, so we just got home and we're probably just gonna chill out, and I'm gonna attempt to edit this vlog so it can go up as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok if you don't already, and subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. I will see you guys next time.